All right, you've got your keywords, you've got their broadness down. Now we're gonna go ahead and assess keyword volume. And this means taking those keywords and figuring out just how many people are actually looking for them on Google each month. So we can go back to our spreadsheet. And once we're here, you'll already have this column, but I'm gonna add another column for keyword volume. We're gonna take all of these keywords and figure out the volume, so the rough number of people that are searching for it each month. Now, as for how many keywords you should come up with before doing this, that's up to you. I usually like to come up with as many as I can think of within reason, and then I can get an idea of the keyword volume and which ones I actually want to look for based off of the broadness. But for now, go ahead and just list out a ton of them because finding the keyword volume doesn't take too long. So to do that, you need to go to Google's keyword planner. It'll look like this once you're logged in, but if you've never been to it, just go to Google and search for keyword planner. And it should be this first result here, Google Keyword Planner. We'll go there. If you're logged in, you'll be taken to this page, but if you've never made an AdWords account before, you'll need to make one. It'll walk you through all of that, and it might suggest that you need to spend money. You don't, it's completely free. That's only if you want to spend money buying ads. Once you're at this screen though, you can go ahead and click on search for new keywords using a phrase, website, or category. Now, after this screen will be a different one, but for now we can just go ahead and plug in water fasting or the first result or the first keyword that you thought of, and then hit get ideas. I'll close this extra one here, move it back over there. Now what it's doing is it's figuring out the volume for that keyword from Google. And as you can see here, we can see the average monthly searches for water fasting is 27,100. All right, so now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to our spreadsheet and I'm gonna go to water fasting and plug in 27,100. And now we can do this for all of our keywords. So water fasting safety, there's basically no searches. So I'm gonna put in 0. And then if we try challenges, what do we get? Okay, also 0, that's fine. Now, what if we go back up and we look at 5-day water fast? Let's plug that in. All right, this one has 1,000. So it's a bit less than water fasting, significantly less, but there are still people looking for it. Now, I want to point out something else that you'll need to do as you're looking at these volumes. If we scroll down, they actually have recommended other keywords that are related to this. So 5-day water fast is 1,000, but 3-day fast is 2,900. So I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna add 3-day fast to the list. We'll keep that in medium and we can add 2,900. And by doing this, you'll come up with a lot more topics than you had initially. For example, we can see here that water cleanse only gets 4,400, whereas water fasting gets that 27,000. That's useful information to know too. Here we've got water fasting benefits, 1,900. I think we had that on our list. Oh, we didn't, so let's add that. Medium, 1,900. And you're just gonna go through and add all the keyword volume for the keywords that you wanted to go after, and add in any other keywords you find as you're going that you think might be relevant. So go ahead and do that now, and once you've done that, come back and we can move on to step 3, assessing their competition.